this is a very special morning. As you are seeing from the fact that I'm here on an early morning in rather casual clothes on my bike. This is the last day in Islamabad before my term ends as ambassador of Germany in Pakistan, and I'm returning home tonight. If it had to be said what is the most precious thing I came about in Pakistan during these 3 years, I would say without great hesitation, it's the Pakistani, it's the people like you, people whose generosity, whose hospitality, whose kindness had been second to none. I would say this is the stuff true friendship is made of, is woven from. In any case, I have to thank you for the trust and confidence in and commitment towards this friendship between our two countries and our two people. With that firmly in mind, take good care of yourself. Even if I won't have this view of Islamabad and Islamabad's red zone anymore tomorrow morning, rest assured, Pakistan and you, the people of Pakistan, remain firmly on my mind. With that, God bless you all, and Huda Hafiz.
YouTube पर Googly TV देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में Googly TV टाइप करें। Googly TV के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई आने वाली वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।